This is Jeff Mucci with RCR Wireless News, Day 2 at 2012 Mobile World Congress. One of the themes that RCR covers is how policy drives investment and investment drives innovation, and that innovation drives economic growth. We're here today with Steve French, who's VP of Marketing with Newbay. Steve, could you talk a little bit about the roots of the company, going back to Enterprise Ireland, and how you've taken that seed and really grown into a global entity?
So Newbay was actually founded in 2002, headquartered out of Dublin, and our first success was actually based out of the US. And we quickly became a global company, supporting T-Mobile, and a lot of people don't know this, but doing the My Faves product. Kind of built out from there to do photo and video albums, and then kind of extended to Europe with customers like Orange, Everything Everywhere. Now we got customers with Verizon. Also, Vodafone's our most recent customer that delivered a service to Portugal in December of last year. So basically, our goal is to provide help carriers deliver a lifetime of content experiences across any connected device. We've got a white label software platform that enables the storing, sharing, accessing, and organizing of digital content. And we're trying to help operators diversify a wide range of branded services, such as digital vaults, photo video albums, social networking, notifications, and converged messaging. So we started, like I said, with My Faves and with a photo video album service for T-Mobile, and we've kind of branched out to there to become a global company with a diverse portfolio.
So how many employees do you have today, and in what countries do you operate?
Well, 250 employees. How many countries do we operate? Quite a few. So like I said, Vodafone, obviously the US. Our services, it's a little deceiving because we might work with a customer in a particular country, but for example, they have services in many different countries. So it's pretty much of a global opportunity for us.
So what are you showcasing at this year's Mobile World Congress?
So basically we're showing our white label software platform, so we can kind of go into to operators and say, hey, why don't you provide a consumer content cloud for your customers, get their content from their phone into the cloud, get the content from their PCs or their Macs into the cloud, and engage with the customer more. So for example, the more content someone has with the service, the stickier the service is, the expansion of lifetime customer value. So operators are very well placed to take advantage of this because they've got the mobile phone, you start the phone up and it says, do you want to back up all your content from your phone to the cloud? And of course everybody does that because we don't like to redo our contacts every time we get a new phone, or if we lose our phone. We've got photos on there that we want to be able to get to the PC to share with our family and friends. So I'm basically going to show the white label version of that.
Does a carrier being able to offer this product or service, does this represent a value-added service and new revenue stream for them?
Absolutely, and it really depends on how they want to offer the service. So for example, working with RIM, we'll provide a Blackberry, kind of a basic Blackberry service that would be available for carriers to basically provide to their end user. They may or may not want to pay a lot of money for that up front, so it would be kind of a value add that Blackberry provides. And then there'd be revenue opportunity there for premium content storage when they hit a certain level of storage, advertising, offers, increased data bundles, and then there's the opportunity for carriers to basically brand the service, and there's additional revenue opportunities there.
So if I'm with, if I bought a RIM device and I'm with a carrier and I want to change carriers, can I take that content with me?
You could. So if you got a BlackBerry device, the idea is that you'd be able to port that. Obviously, if it's not a BlackBerry device, you wouldn't be able to do that.
So do you have a demo you can show us today, and give us a little overview before we go into the demo of what you're going to show us? Okay.
So I'm going to show, there's three different user experiences, okay? One of them is kind of the web interface. You've got all the content in the cloud. You want to be able to access that from a web interface. Usually people do that from a PC or maybe from a tablet. You've also got what we call a sync drive. That's our product, a sync drive client that would go on the PC or Mac. And that allows you to basically put any content into that drive, and it automatically backs up and syncs to the cloud, which is very simple, very easy. People don't want to be, clicking buttons. They want to create the content, and they want it to be backed up automatically. And then finally, there's the device. There's the device experience. So you want to be able to access all your content, cloud content, from the device, and you want it to back up automatically to the cloud too. So that's the third part.